Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel designated to Mitsubishi and a lot of Outlander stuff. Thank you, by the way, to all subscribers who watch the channel all the time, and thank you to new people that landed on this video. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please do so. Lots of good content there. So today we'll have a look at this. It's a nice, simple touch for the interior of the Outlander. We'll have a look how to install it yourself. This item, by the way, you can find on my accessory shop as well. The link is in description and typically somewhere in the comments as well. So we have this beautiful red Outlander LE Premium, and I think this is going to be a very nice touch to the interior that kind of continues the red theme from the outside throughout the inside. So it's a very simple thing. So it goes around passenger vent, around the driver vent, and around doors where the handles are. So we'll have a look at that in a second. Very easy install. You can do it yourself if you want to. Now basically let's get to work. So this is what we have in the box, so to speak. So there are 6 trim pieces. So one goes around here, the other one around the passenger vent, then on the driver's door around here, the passenger door, and the rear as well. So, and this one here gives this nice little touch. It's very subtle, very little thing, but it makes the red pop out right away. Now for the install, it's quite easy. So we just remove this. There's this double-sided tape. We remove that and then we just put it in place. And now let's proceed to install this thing. So, and yeah, now let's proceed. Basically, first we always want to take it off. We want to prep the surface as well, degrease it and whatnot. So I've done that already. Then we just position in the perfect spot where it should belong. Let's make sure how it looks. Okay, beautiful, right here. Nice. Okay, and now essentially what we do is we just remove that double-sided tape and we start to glue it on. Very, very important with these things, don't rush. Not a race, you have all the time in the world. Just make sure position it right, because if you don't do it, you might be in trouble. Okay. Okay, I like it. Now we press and hold, press and hold. Okay, and this vent is done. Wow, it's already big difference. Now let's proceed with this door trim right here. And same idea here. First we position where it has to go. Make sure we're gonna put it in the right place. And then we just peel off the double-sided tape. And apply it on. Just like this. Okay, and now we can apply some pressure on it, make sure it sticks properly. And now we can proceed to driver's side vent. Oh, sorry, the passenger side. Just did the driver's side. Okay, let's get the other side done. And this is a part for passenger side vent. Now this part is a little bit trickier because it's very, very long. So I think the best way would be to basically don't peel the entire thing off right away. Peel it in like a part of it, because this is very long. You'll have a hard time to putting on and making a mistake, and you're gonna fall off, collect some dirt or dust. So first we're gonna line up this square right here, and then we're gonna peel this part and then we'll stick it on, and then we'll peel the next part and stick on the rest. So okay, let's get to it. And again, don't rush, take your time, not a race. Okay, we line it up here. Oh, didn't like it where I placed it. Okay, this is the right spot right here. Okay, and initially don't press it hard, because if you need to take it off to reposition it somewhere else, you can do so. Okay, now we take the entire thing off, and slowly, steadily, like this, we just apply entire length right here. And now we can apply a little pressure that we like where it sits and how it looks. Let it dry. It'll stick on properly. There we go. Excellent. Now let's do the door part, and then the back doors, and that's it. Good. And let's proceed to this door here. Now that we've done it a few times, possibly goes a little bit quicker, so we position where we want to be, measure it up. Okay, we're happy. Peel off sticker, there we go. And let's rock and roll. And again, don't press hard right away. Position where it needs to be. Put it on gently, and then put some pressure on it. There we go. Right on, and it's a done deal. And now let's enjoy the end result. As soon as we open up the door, we have these red lines popping out right here. It looks very, very good. It stands out a lot. I think it turned out great. Now let's jump in the second row and to see how it looks from the second row, the entire panel. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks really great. So we have this red that sticks out a lot, and then around the driver's vent right here. And then this entire line is awesome as well. You see how it brightens the vehicle, and you have this line right here. And of course, on the passenger doors, we did this trim upgrade as well. So now let's take a little bit closer look again how it looks, because I think it makes a very big difference. Such a small little thing, but makes a big, big difference, right? So right here in entire length, just the way we saw, easy to apply, easy to make it happen, but has a big visual difference. So there we go. This was a nice quick install, how to make your Outlander stand out, how to brighten up the interior a little bit. There's also a carbon fiber kit that you can put on, but this is a great alternative if you don't want to do the carbon fiber. Do this, and especially on the red color. So thank you so much for watching. You can find this item on my accessory shop. The link is in description, and also typically in the comment sections as well. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in next videos.